15 grand solar job over the line yesterday. Sean from SLC Solutions. Yeah, we've had a great month actually. We've just done 11 EV chargers. We managed to get a 15 grand solar job over the line yesterday, which is great. So
well done.
yeah, all good.
That's it, like that one. Glad you joined.
Yeah, all good.
Yeah, good. Happy days. Well done, guys. Nice one. Cheers.
Been an electrician for 40 years.
How many are you doing a month in EV then, roughly?
I do about 20.
20 a month, yeah?
Yeah.
Bloody hell, nice.
Yeah, it's all good at the moment.
It's all good.
A week.
You guys have got it good, haven't you, Sparkies? Nice one. Well done, mate.
Andy, we've had a 430 kilowatt system put on our books for a full overhaul. Currently got work out for 3 more lads as well. So
okay.
I'm trying to take on an apprentice, an improver, and a full qualified solar PV lad. Yeah, since starting with you, since the discovery day, we've just taken on.
You've really kicked it up again, then. Yeah, brilliant. If you're making money, mate, you're making money. Well done. Nice one.
We're doing all right.
Cool.